With over 150 years of history, as one of the main universities on the west coast of Japan, and as a leading global research institution, Kanazawa University has engaged in an ever-growing series of challenging initiatives. Aiming to bring together advanced professionals who bravely embrace challenges to make the future of humanity flourish, Kanazawa University has set out the Kanazawa University Global Standards to define the list of skills which students are required to obtain in order to graduate. Mathematics and physics are the foundational disciplines of the natural sciences. They are the foundation in applied mathematics and computational science on which the related computer simulations are based. With these simulations, we can study phenomena that go beyond the boundaries of mathematics and physics. Helmia Jayanunisha is from Indonesia. After studying computational science at UIN Sunan Gunung Jati in Indonesia, Helmia moved abroad to Kanazawa University to acquire more advanced simulation skills.
My research theme is about host gas inclusion complex. Is about the simulation to understand some physical properties in drug molecule. So I use some program to simulate it, and now my work is to understand the cyclodextrin and NSAID drugs. I'm really glad when I entered this university. There's so many international students here, so I feel safe when I here. Everyone is so kind. When I first come here, I couldn't speak Japanese, but some of staff speak English, so I feel safe at the time. And this university is also Muslim friendly. There are some halal food here, and there are also some prayer space. So I really glad to come here. It's really fun. The scenery is really beautiful. It's really nature. I can focus on my study when I stay here. So I really glad to stay here to study in this university.
This is Erlina Tikman, also from Indonesia. After graduating from the Bandung Institute of Technology, Erlina moved abroad to study advanced physics at Graduate School of Natural Science and Technology, Kanazawa University.
Kanazawa University is a very good place for me to study. It is a quiet place, and also in this university, especially in the laboratory, it provides me a lot of equipment and things to conduct my research with a comfortable environment. And also I have many friends, and lab member also help me a lot to doing my research in here. Actually, my former university in Indonesia, when I was undergraduate students, it has collaboration with Kanazawa University for many years. And when I was graduated from undergraduate study, I talked to my senior who has already conducted her research in the Kanazawa University, especially in the physics department under supervision of Yosda Sensei laboratory. And when I heard about her research and what she was doing in the laboratory, I got interested, and then I decided to apply this scholarship program. Also, I have many friends from Indonesia, so that it's easier for me to get used in the environment in Kanazawa. Because, but the first time when I came here, the weather is very cold, so maybe now I already get used to it. Actually, I'm truly happy that I decided to study in here under supervision of a great professor.
This is Anastasia Lopatina from Russia. She graduated from Kazan Federal University and currently studies physics at Kanazawa University as an international student.
When I was a child, I spent a lot of time with my father. He is a military engineer, so he explained me about the physics and how it works in this world. So after this, I liked this field and science and decided to join to physics like a scientist. And about Kanazawa University, I already was here 3 years ago, like a student, short-time study, internship between Russia and Japan. After this, I decided to join to Kanazawa University like a PhD student because I think here is my future in the science. After my graduation from Kanazawa University, I want to join my work in medicine and physics together, and I want to help people with their problem in the health using my field of study here in physics. So I want to help people using physics and medicine.
At Kanazawa University, we have a tutoring system which helps to set up and support the daily life of international students in Japan. The tutors are Japanese students. Whenever needed, they help international students with their study, research, administrative procedures, and with exploring life in Japan. Thanks to this system, the mutual cross-cultural understanding of students has improved a lot. As of January 24, 2022, Kanazawa University has consolidated international exchange agreements with 212 organizations worldwide to recruit international students and to maintain and build networks with international graduates and researchers. Kanazawa University has also developed a strong scholarship program to improve the learning environment for international students. We hope that your time as a student at Kanazawa University will be precious and that it will expand your skills and experience beyond expectation.